What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Please press that subscribe button and join the family of lovelies. Also turn notifications on so that you don't miss any of my future uploads. Before we get into this lashes tutorial, I want to get serious with you guys for a second. My very first video that I ever posted on YouTube was a lash tutorial, and that was about a month and a half ago. Now, I was not comfortable around the cameras or the lights or people watching me in general. It takes time to build up the confidence, and here we are today. So I'm going to recreate that video, add a couple of tips and tricks that I have learned along the way, and I am comfortable enough to share with you guys. So, on a happier note, how do I look? So today we're going to be doing lashes. Now this comes with everything that you need to get the job done. Two different types of lashes. We have an everyday and a glam, which I will be using those today. It also comes with a tool and some glue. As you probably have seen, I already have a lash tutorial on my channel, but I was not comfortable behind the camera a month ago. So I wanted to redo that, give you guys some extra tips and tricks that I've learned along the way. And we're just gonna get started. So the first thing that you're gonna wanna do when you remove your lashes, you will want to trim them. Now, me personally, I do not trim my lashes, really depending from brand to brand, but my eyes, the way that they make them, it fits perfectly. So if you do not have oblong eyes like myself, you are going to want to trim your lashes. Now, the first thing that you want to know is never trim from the inner corner, because then the lash band will poke you, it'll be uncomfortable, and people will be able to tell that you have lashes on. And that defeats the purpose, right? So, if you are going to trim your lashes, trim the outer portion of them. Okay, so now that I have this removed from the packaging, I always like to pinch it in between my fingers like so that I can really see and get a good view of that lash band to apply the glue. So I'm going to apply this glue, and then I will show you how much I applied. I always apply a little bit more towards the ends to really ensure that it sticks to my inner corners. Okay. This is all of the glue that you will need. A very thin line with a little extra on the outer corners, and then you want to let it dry just until it becomes tacky. Now, tacky means that it bounces back when you touch it. So I'm going to share with you every single detail just in case you are at home wanting to learn how to apply false lashes. So I always use a handheld small mirror, and I hold it at a super unflattering angle like so that I can look down into the mirror while applying these lashes. Before I apply these lashes, I am going to give this a couple of seconds to dry and apply one coat of mascara so that they will blend seamlessly. So I'm going to do that off camera really quickly, and I will be right back to apply these lashes. Alright guys, my glue is now purple and I am ready to apply. So I always pinch it like this, look down, fit it to my eye, press down the center section, and then work my way towards the end, squeezing my real lashes with the fake lashes as I go to ensure a seamless line. Ooh, I always get watery eyes. So I usually don't like doing my lower lash line before I do lashes because, girl, but once it's on there, you want to pinch your lashes with the fake lashes. Apply a little bit of added pressure to make sure that the entire band is secured to your lash line. Like it was built to break off the handle. How'd we get to this place? Okay, and now I'm going to add one more layer of mascara just to really connect the two lashes and make them seamless, and I'll be right back for this lash. Alright guys, same routine with this one. I have already done one coat of mascara, and now it is time to apply the glue one last time. Yes, I do stick my tongue out when I concentrate. I do that a lot when I concentrate. Does anybody else stick their tongue out when they're like coloring? Because girl, when I'm blending my shadow, I'm like, you know, you gotta really, I feel like sticking your tongue out really gives you more of a sense of concentration. Does anybody else agree with me? Comment down below and let me know what you think. Okay, now I am ready to apply these lashes. My glue has turned purple. So I'm sure you guys were not able to see before, but I figured a trick. If I hold it where my hair is, you can see that my glue is now purple. Perfect, and it's super tacky, bounces back, lovely. So let's get this second lash on. And a small trick to ensure that you have your lashes in the right place while the glue is still tacky, because if you wait until the glue is dry, honey, your lash is not going to go anywhere. So while the glue is still tacky, you want to pinch the falsies with your lashes, and it will put that band in the exact right spot. Okay, and then I also apply a little bit of pressure on the ends, and of course push them up. So fragile, like it was built to break off the handle. Woo. And now your girl is slaying. Yes, I am. To finish this look, if you are worried about your band showing, if you use the pinchy trick that I have showed you, you will not have that problem. Alright guys, this is the completed look after lashes have been applied. Super fun and super duper easy. If you would like a tutorial for this look, don't forget to drop it in my comments. It's a win-win here. You guys tell me what you want, I give you what you want. It's a win-win, so make sure you're dropping them comments like crazy, girl. I love spending each and every moment that I can with you guys. So, until next time. Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's